Man, we should have took heed to the dictators under Machiavelli. Idi Amin, Gaddafi, Castro, Mussolini, and Napoleon. Too busy actually listening rather than taking a look at what was right in front of our face. The world's imperialists took us through another phase, warned us that they cannot be stopped and that there is no limit to their tanks back in 98. Don't you want to be a no-limit soldier, part of an army that never fall, fumble, or break? Or are you all about the cash money, focused strictly on being Manny fresh like baby? Maybe we should focus on who really controls our money. After 9/11 and '01, after the battle for the king of New York City was won, there were diplomats moving with diplomatic immunity among nations. Same thing that they done with our country's funds, dumbed down the message in the song, now who's paying attention? Strip your manhood away by giving you bright colors and tight jeans as fashion. Creating a generation of new boys that go dumb and who are less threatening. Confused emotionalists turned Hannibal Lecter, like Tyler the Creator. Growing up with no father, just absentees, male parents that don't bother. Proud to be a bastard, proud to drink and smoke and treat their body like whatever. Proud to say that money is their religion. Damn, look at what is being done to our children. Michadini.com. Hip hop's subliminal message.